Alright, so this is my song for the stoners. Any stoners that are having a bad day. I'm going to go ahead and play it. I don't have any official big old speakers, so you won't be able to hear it like that, but you will be able to hear it from my laptop speakers, which are pretty darn good to me. Let's hop right into it. Roll your windows down, roll them, yeah. Tap into the sounds, tap in, Let go of the day, let go of the day. Breathe it all away, yeah. Roll your windows down, roll them, yeah. Tap into the sounds, tap in, Let go of the day, let go of the day. Breathe it all away. Is that favorite song that you put on when your day been too long? Maybe roll some strong, maybe take a yawn. Ease your mind however you want, but just don't take too long. Cause whenever that grass get high, can't see them snakes in the lawn. Can't see no roach with the light off, can't tell them shrimp from prawns. You was off your square, but you in my circle, I'ma always put you on. Let's get dumb high like blondes, pretend we need along. Answer not late, then in the best memories, please come on. Roll your windows down. Y'all fucking with it so far? Yeah. Tap into the sound. Tap in, Let go of the day. Let go of the day. Breathe it all away. Roll your windows down. Tap into the sound. I just added the ad-libs. I feel like those are giving them something that they were missing for sure. Breathe it all away. I've been praying for a weekend. Don't get me started. I've been trying to avoid the deep end, but fuck my wallet. Rather go on a spree or hit the rec room. Maybe just turn alcoholic. But after the week I had, I know none of that's really gonna solve it. Won't be no love, won't be no liquor that's gonna fix my problems. I know who on the main line, so when I get stressed I call him. He love me faithfully, overlook my vices patiently. I'm quitting soon, but right now I just gotta face the tree. Roll your windows down, yeah. Tap into the sound, tap in, Let go of the day, let go of the day. Breathe it all away, breathe it all away. Roll your windows down, roll your windows down. Tap into the sound, tap into the sound. Let go of the day, yeah. Breathe it all away. Yeah, that was my song, Roll Your Windows. I might release it soon. I might not. I just really don't know. I'm still toying with it. Funny enough, I've been sitting on it for a few months, and just today, I finally added some extra ad-libs that I feel like it was missing. So I'm one of those. I really take my time. I can like a song all day long, but I'll still need to hear it repetitively for weeks or months on end just because something isn't there. And the thing that I run into, this is a little side note, the thing that I run into is that people will say things like, oh no, it's perfect, less is more. Yeah, that's fine, but that's because you don't hear what the more sounds like in my head. You don't realize how great the more is going to fit right in there. When you hear more, you hear me ask if it needs more, I feel like they're imagining some type of like chaos or sounds clashing. No, it's like my brain hears it perfectly it sees the dead space perfectly, and I cannot give up until the perfect fit goes in there. So just for example, yeah. This was the chorus, this was the hook before. Hold on. Windows down, yeah. Roll your windows down. Tap into the sounds. Let go of the day. And that dead space between each line was driving me absolutely nuts. But now, let go of the day. Let go of the day. Roll something. Tap into the sound. Tap in, You know, just something. Let go of the day. Breathe it all away. something that won't take away from the song. Something that won't take away from the song. So I run into that issue quite a bit where I end up fielding the song just to get an idea of what people are hearing while they listen to it. And I know that I'm a fairly good artist that can seem polished, and shout out to that. That's great. All that's fine and dandy, but I don't give a hell how I seem if I'm not satisfied with the song. So that was really important for me to do. I would love to do more of these. Only because I'm just watching myself on this camera and I'm realizing how much I'm lighting up while doing it. I've had a not the greatest day, but just doing this feels really good to me. So hopefully I can do more of these. I don't know in what capacity. So I'd love if you drop some comments below. If you like it, go ahead and put some thumbs up for me. If not, go ahead and put some thumbs down, because that also is data for me to figure out how we can co-create this experience together. What you like, what I like. Maybe we can bring our likes together and have some good times. You know what I'm saying? But more than anything, this is about me documenting my experience as a human. I think I want to start doing that way more often. And a part of this experience as a human is me really loving and enjoying music since I was a child. And I often take it for granted, and I don't want to do that, even if it's not being delivered in the form of streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music or anything like that. I want a way to where I can connect with you all, or connect with whoever my audience is, and make this happen. I guess I'm rambling now. If you like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, but also no pressure. Love you guys. Danielle did that.